Yo, it's good. It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, man, today we're gonna react to a new SB19 video. Well, it's not a new video. It's what, like, it's 3 years ago. 3 years ago. This is Challenge Roulette with SB19. This is from Mega channel, Mega Entertainment. Oh man, I'm just excited with this, man. Every time that we pull up a new SB19 video, like a challenge or an interview, it's always, making my day complete, man. Whenever I see a new video that I never actually watched yet, I don't know how deep I can go to check all of the videos of SB19, but let's just be honest, I'm not even in the bottom yet, man. There's still a lot on the recommended video for this video that we're about to watch. There is a lot of videos in here that I never actually watched yet. Like I am just bamboozled, man. Like, how many videos, man, how many challenges, interviews, and vlogs they already did, man. God damn. Well, anyway, again, we're gonna watch this. Without no further ado, man, let's get it.
Ba't anim yung daliri?
Basta na-pressure siya, na-pressure. Guys, we know naman na pambata talaga ako ng barangay. So bakit pa ba natin ginagawa itong game na?
Next.
Huwag ka na ako mag-isip! Mas mo na! Hi, Mega Entertainment!
This is showbreak vibe, no? Ang last maka showbreak vibe ng video na to, no?
It's your boy Stel, Josh,
Pablo,
Justin. And Ken.
and we are
SB19!
Today, we're playing the Challenge Roulette where we take turns to spin.
I'm sorry, I just want... Josh looks like Taeyang in here of Big Bang, man.
We are
Like the hairstyle.
Today, we're playing the Challenge Roulette where we take turns to spin the roulette to determine which game everyone will play.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Huge showbreak vibe, man. I'm so happy we're watching this video now. Huge showbreak vibe. Start. It's like showbreak all over again, man. Rank challenge.
Rank challenge.
Challenge!
Rank your members depending on the scenario given.
Ilalak natin yung sarili natin.
Depending on the scenario given, who gets the worst?
Oh, sino
Ako
earliest?
sakto lang.
Si Pablo?
No, I
Dito
think
ka,
ito.
So ano ang irarank nila? Who gets to work first? Huh?
Ilalak natin yung
Scenario given. Okay, so the scenario is who gets to work first? I'm sorry, yung unang nagtrabaho? Ano ba?
Oh, sino
Ako
earliest?
sakto lang.
Si Pablo?
No, I
Dito
think
ka,
ito
dito
ka.
ka. Maaga ka.
I think ikaw
Ikaw early.
Nagtrabaho.
Saan ka?
Sa dulo ka, sa
Doon
dulo.
ka sa dulo.
Agoy! Yung mga tao, may sarili-sariling mga pinagdadaanan. Kaya, alam mo na, ano talaga ang buhay? Minsan nasa...
Ibabaw.
Minsan nasa baba.
Ilalim.
Parang,
Okay?
you know,
Totoo naman.
Sana bukas na.
I'm sorry, ang tanong ba is kung sino yung pinakaunang nagtrabaho? Who gets to work first? I'm so confused.
Nasa
I mean, the reason why I'm questioning this right now is because Justin is next to Pablo. And I cannot imagine na nagtrabaho si Justin o mas nauna pang naisip magtrabaho ni Justin kaysa kay Stel or kay Josh or kay Ken during their, pre-SB19.
Uy, next.
Who spends all night practicing? Is it practice? Who spends all night practicing a performance? It's practicing. Okay. It's Pablo. I guess Pablo.
Ako sa dulo.
Yung, paano? Hindi ko alam. Ikaw ulit unahan. Parang hindi rin ako. Ganyan.
Stel? Grabe naman. Ini-expect ko is going to be Pablo, Stel, Josh, Justin, and Ken. I feel like Ken is I feel like Ken, alam niya kung paano i-maximize yung oras kung kailan dapat mag-practice. But then again, i-maximize yung oras pag hindi na siya nagka-practice. Like, like ilalagay niya yung oras niya para sa practice, which is practice lang. And if after practice, meron pa siya ibang mga gagawin. Lalaan niya yung oras yun para doon sa mga gagawin. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like, ganun yung mindset ni, pagdating sa akin, like, you know, but I didn't expect na si Justin yung magiging sunod, no? Bagay Pablo.
May space dito.
Yeah, Pablo yung nag-practice talaga ng maigi. Parang,
Yeah, totoo. And, sa totoo lang, itong 4 na natitira, I mean, maybe we can shuffle them at any place, but Pablo is going to always be the first one, no? Kasi, kahit saan, men, kahit hindi man lang sabihin, nakikita na ng mga tao, sa vlog pa lang na may kita na natin na lagi siya nagpa-practice talaga. Oh, different game. 369?
369, feeling ka naman masyado.
369. Everyone will count.
Oh, what the fuck is 369? Everyone will count up to 20, and every time that the number 3, 6, and 9 will be mentioned, the member must post. Okay.
Up to 20, and every time the number 3, 6, and 9 will be mentioned, the member must
Okay.
vote. Okay.
Okay. Bawal magulit ng post daw.
1, 2,
4.
5.
Parang no? Parang magde-nay-nay siya no? Si Ken. Parang yung nilaro nila sa Showbits, di ba? Same lang to ng Showbits eh.
Tanggal na siya.
1, 2, 3, go, 1.
2.
Parang mas maganda pa nga na matanggal ka eh, no? I mean, kung hindi ka competitive, no? Sa ganitong klaseng laro.
7.
8.
Sinabi mo daw yung 9. Out na daw.
May narinig ka sa akin yung sabi of 9.
Really competitive, man. Really minsan ko lang makita si Ken na ganito, no? Like, this is an early show break vibe para kay Ken. Kasi if you guys remember, early show break, sobrang competitive ni Ken, no? Nakikipag-away talaga siya, nakikipag-argue siya, no? Nagdating sa like sa huling mga show break kasi parang may very nonchalant na lang si Ken eh. I mean, nakipag-argue pa rin siya, but hindi na ganun katulad ng dati. But this is an early Ken vibe, man.
1, 2, 4. 14.
15.
Iniisip pa.
1, 2, 5.
Guys, we know naman na pambata talaga ako ng barangay. So bakit pa ba natin
Okay,
ginagawa
next.
itong game?
Oo nga naman, no? Game 3.
Are you guys ready for the next challenge?
Riff challenge?
Uy!
Riff?
Ay.
Do the riff to the... Oh, shit. Here we go. Let's see.
Do the riff to the song of Beyonce, Drunk in Love. 5, 6, 7.
Tatulala na lang si si Justin tuloy. Si Josh eh. God damn it, man.
Ako.
Ay, nako. Susan. Relay draw challenge.
Relay draw challenge. Each member will have 5 seconds to draw the hint, then the last person to get the paper guesses the drawing.
Hello, love, goodbye. Okay.
Oh, sabi sa inyo, mahirap yung drawing.
Relay draw. Ang hirap nga.
Guys, di wala tong prize, guys.
Okay, game na.
Oh, this is like the yung game na sa Showbreak na naka-headset sila, tapos yung it's one of the funniest, man.
Hoy, takra!
Ba't sa dulo ka nag-start?
Pwede ba yun? Mag-dictate pa rin yung nakaiwan.
Uy, nawawala na lang.
Wala ka.
Wala nagawa. Wala nagawa.
Wala na yung nag-draw.
Ayan.
Ano yan?
Oh, basta. Ay, hulaan mo eh. Sana sinabi na lang namin. Kunwari ka pa, narinig mo naman.
Itong kamay na to is hello, no? It should be hello, and then love, and then goodbye, and then kaso nga lang mo ka narinig na ni ano, no? Ni Justin.
Oh, basta. Ay, hulaan mo eh. Sana sinabi na lang namin. Kunwari ka pa, narinig mo naman.
Ito.
Ayan.
Ba't anim yung daliri?
Basta na-pressure siya, na-pressure.
Na-pressure
ako.
siya.
Na-pressure ako nung ginawa ko siya.
6 minus love.
Anong minus? Walang minus dyan. Wala yan, paano lang, direction.
Hello, ang hirap naman ito.
Basta pag gano'n siya, tat. Huwag mo pansinin yan, basta tat.
I love my hands.
What the heck?
I don't ko ano to.
I have to tell you, honestly, it's hard to, I mean, alam natin ngayon na hello, love, goodbye yun, no? Pero, ang hirap kasi yung goodbye, ano ba, ito na ba yung wave? Parang nakaganon eh, no? Parang nakaganon yung stickman eh.
Kina siya. Alam mo, napakahirap hulaan yan.
Hello, love, goodbye.
Kasi nilagyan niya ng gano'n, nilagyan mo ba nito?
Goodbye.
Hello yan, hello.
Goodbye.
Love.
Parang hands, love.
Okay, gets na.
Movie.
Okay lang.
Game 5. Medyo mahirap nga yun. One word challenge.
One word challenge.
Oh, they did this in Showbreak as well.
A member will sing a song using 18 for the lyrics of the song.
Okay.
Then the other members shall guess what song it is. 18.
Ah. 18 lang yung lyrics. Basically, yung melody yung ano, yung gagayahin pa rin sa kanta, pero yung lyrics is 18 lang, no?
18.
Ito.
Ayusin mo!
Ikaw na! Pass!
Pangay ako!
Ayun, tama!
Iiwan!
Alright.
Ano tono na ito?
Pag mo lang, pass na!
Rockstar ni Feli.
18. Ang hirap nga. Yeah. Ang hirap.
Dito sa puso!
Naman ako. Nakalimutan ko din.
18.
I mean, naririnig natin yung tono, no? Na katang-isip siya by Ben and Ben. Parang, inaano ko sa, sa side nila Stel, no? Kung ano yung may tunog, ang hirap nga din.
18.
Pass.
Okay, pass.
Sorry, ginamit.
Pero nakuha ni Josh yung tono.
18.
Pasensya ka na. Katang-isip pa rin yung pinakanta ni Josh. Mga katang-isip ko, ito.
18.
Oh.
Sabi ko sa inyo, tumambay kayo sa TikTok eh.
Wow. Sabi ko tagay.
Wala akong alam sa mga ganyan ng tao.
That's it! Thank you for
Hirap
watching!
din, no?
Again, we are SB19!
We never actually did that in the show break. Iba yung nasisip ko na one word challenge. Alright, that's fun, no? That's fun. Alright, again, that's SB19 Challenge Roulette from Mega Entertainment or Mega Channel. Man, oh man. Every day we have a new SB19 video na napupool, man. Like right now, I already have another video that I really want to watch. That is recommended after this, but you will know that tomorrow. If what video is it? No, you will know that tomorrow. What video is it? But that is our reaction for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and see you on the next one. Peace.